Hello, everyone. My name is Kelvin Ng, and I'm a Microsoft Certified Trainer and Microsoft Office Specialist. Now, I have a student who have attended my class sometime last year. He contacted me lately, asking me a question that related to filtering and sorting and choose and such. He told me that he recently upgraded the Microsoft Office to Microsoft 365. Then I told him, good news. We have a way that we can actually do this without actually using the particular feature called sorting and filtering. So let me show you what I meant for him. Now, he has a set of data. Now, these are all progress data I created based on his question. I told him that we can actually we don't have to use the feature that we usually use, like data filter or the sort, this filter where we have to do it manually each time when we're looking for something. So this time, I told him that we can actually use a feature, or should I say a function called filter. So I'm going to start with function called filter. So I say, let's say we go to filter, and the whole set of data, I've called it as sales data, comma. So what is it that I want to include? Now, in his case, he wants to do two sets of criteria, which is like must start with certain date and end with certain date, and there must be a certain amount. So I'm going to do this. I'm going to tell them, okay, no, not this bracket, this bracket. I'll tell them, okay, date purchase is actually greater than equals to this date. Okay. Now, if you have more than one criteria, you will use this asterisk to do a multiplication, which is equivalent to n, n. Then purchase date is less than the end date. Okay. And he added one more. He just want to see all those greater than certain amount. So he was saying that, okay, in this case, after that amount, from bracket, amount has to be greater than equals to this value in L3. So what I'll do is I'll just close the bracket and close another bracket. When I press enter, I will see all the data that is between 5th of March to 15th of March. So where is the date? All right, so the date has been changed to amount, but nevertheless, I'm not using this. I'm going to see if I can revise the formula a little bit. I'll just go to this thing called choose column, because he doesn't want to see all the columns. He only wants to see column 1, 3, and 6. 1, 3, 6, which is this column 1 invoice number, purchase date, followed by amount. Yeah? This 3. So when I press enter, now I see the dates. So if you look at the dates, it's from 5th of March all the way to less than 15th of March. So these are the dates. And he also mentioned that he wants to arrange the data so that the sales amount, the highest value is on top. All right, so let me go back to the formula, and I tell them that you just have to add in a function called sort. Sort this particular answer that you get from the value, and you want to sort based on the amount. So in this case, this table has 1, 2, and 3 columns. So the index column is going to be column number 3, and he's going to sort it according to descending order, which is -1. So when I press enter, you notice that the highest value is on top. So I only want to see all those that is greater than, let's say, 200. I'm not going to put a greater than, but just put a 200. There you go. All those that is 200, and I'm sorting the data which is greater than 200. Those less than 200, not required. Now I remove it. Now I have all of them. So I hope you like this video, and please help me to share far away and give it to all the people who need this kind of situation. If you have recently upgraded to Microsoft 365, yeah, these are some of the new things that you can actually venture. Thank you. Please like and share. I hope to see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.